back to my channel. I'm Sanjana Dongre and I'm pretty sure it happens with all of us. Actually, we girls love shopping. We always buy new dresses, click pictures and post them to Instagram and Facebook. But कुछ टाइम बाद ही हमारी वो ड्रेस कहाँ गायब हो जाती है हमें भी पता नहीं होता, बिकॉज हमारे मन में ये हेजिटेशन होती है कि एक ही ड्रेस को आखिर हम कितनी बार पहनेंगे, इसलिए हम हर ओकेशन के हिसाब से न्यू ड्रेसेस परचेज करते रहते हैं. इट हैपेंस अ लॉट विथ मी बट आई थिंक नॉट एनी मोर. Wear it again. If you try to style your dress in other different ways, simply experimented with this dress which I'm wearing right now, and this is a off-shoulder simple black and white dress. Actually, you can wear this kind of dress in two different ways. Like you can wear it as off-shoulder dress, or you can wear it as I'm wearing right now. Up to you. As I told you, you can wear it in two different ways. In these pictures, I am wearing it as my off-shoulder dress. And if you're not comfortable, you can wear it normally as I am wearing it in this picture. You can wear it in any style you want. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to create 5 different looks. So let's start the video. This is my dress which I'm talking about. It's a very simple and cute looking outfit. And now I'll show you how you can create some different outfits with it. Firstly, I'll use my denim pencil skirt for my first look. Benefit of wearing this skirt is the look of your outfit will change, and yes, no one will know it. And this is the result. It is a very comfortable and good looking outfit. This outfit is exactly right for casual parties and college going girls. I tied up my hair into a ponytail to create this look more cute and casual. No doubt a single ponytail can do it, and this is the final look. I really love this simple and cute look. What about you guys? But wait, you can wear any casual shoes with this dress. So this is how our first look is complete. For the second look, I'm gonna take my simple casual t-shirt. You can use any printed or non-printed t-shirt. Firstly, I'll fold the sleeves of my dress. Then it may look like this. But wait, you have to tie up your t-shirt like this. You just have to create a knot with your t-shirt and then you are ready to rock. You can wear this outfit for college and outing with friends because it's more comfortable and easy to wear. With this outfit, obviously you can wear this type of regular shoes. These shoes looks really good with casuals. So guys, this is my final look of my second outfit which I created with my dress. And now I'm gonna take my denim cotton shirt. You can wear your shirt as a shrug on your dress. You can use any kind of long shirts also. If you don't like to wear cut sleeves dresses, you can use this idea as well. So yep, our third look is complete. I really love this look because it is so simple and easy to carry, and it's so comfortable as it looks. Actually, you can wear this as your official dress. You just need to wear any blazer or coat instead of shirt. Wear some block heels with this kind of outfits because it looks great. And yeah, our third look is complete. Comment if you liked it. For the fourth look, I'm going to take my this flower printed black shirt, and I'll tell you 2 different ways to wear flower printed shirts like this. If you wear your transparent shirt directly over your dress, it looks nice, but your dress can be easily visible throughout your shirt, and I know you'll not like it. So, I have an idea to make this not happen. If you don't want to make your dress visible throughout your shirt, you just need a simple black t-shirt first, and then firstly hook your shirt up and then fold your t-shirt. Fold your inner t-shirt nicely and then free your shirt and create a small knot with it, and then adjust your shirt with the t-shirt, and there you have it. Oh my god, I am genuinely in love with this outfit. And comment if you loved it too. It's a very cute, pretty, elegant and simple outfit. I just loved it. And girls, you can wear it for your college parties and your meetings, special meetings and small get-togethers. Honestly, I had never realized that it will look this much great and beautiful. This outfit is looking damn pretty. If you have a dress like this, you should try it once. With this, our fourth look is done. And now I'm going to create my last look. So this is also a transparent parrot green colored shirt. As I told you before, you can wear your shirt as your shrug. It may look like this. I like the combination because it is always in a trend. So you can wear your shirt like this, or you can wear it as that black one. Similarly, you have to create a small knot, and there you go. You can create this outfit more bold because the color combination is superb. You can use any color of shirt or t-shirt, because if you use a bright color with a dark one, it hits differently. So guys, those were the outfits which I created with this dress. कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताना कि आपको कौन सा लुक सबसे ज़्यादा पसंद आया. Enjoy this video. Please share and give a thumbs up if you liked it. Also subscribe to my channel by clicking that red subscriber button down below, and don't forget to on that bell icon. And thank you for watching.